Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix WooCommerce checkout page not working problem. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So for this video, I'm just going through this article that will show us some common problems with the checkout page not working and some reason to it and some solutions. And basically, one of the most or the common reason is plugins conflicts. And all you need to do is just to start deactivating all the plugins and themes and start activate them one by one. So basically here in the plugins, you will need just to go to your plugins, just click all the plugins, go to deactivate and basically click on deactivate and click on apply. And this will deactivate all your plugins. And now try again to use your checkout page and see if there is some problem with the checkout page. If there is not, that means that there was some conflicts between your plugins. And after that, start enable them or activate them one by one. Another reason is conflicts in your theme. And basically for this, simply all you need to do is to use such lightweight theme like the storefront and activate and use the theme and see if the checkout page works. If it works, that means that there was some problem with the theme that you are using. Also, you might have some problems with loadings, and you can see the status of your servers. So basically, you will need just to go to WooCommerce status and basically see if there is any problem with your servers. So make sure that you are using latest versions. Everything is up to date, and you have a good WordPress memory limits, etc., etc. So for example, I have some problem with supply and make sure that everything in your WooCommerce is up to date and it's working good. And basically, those are some common problems that would solve or some solution that would solve your problem. Thank you for watching and see you next time.